Hi everyone, I am back with another origami video and today we'll be making a Siamese cat. So this one, as you can tell here, has two parts, the head and the body, and yeah, let's get straight into it basically. So let's find a piece of paper, a square piece of origami paper using last ones. I'm going to fold it diagonally in half first. So, and then we're going to take one side of this. I'm trying to find which side is good. I think this one will be good. And basically just open it up a little and press down. Cool. And then with the other side, we're going to fold it back. So fold it back a bit, like so. And then we're going to fold it up, basically. So grabbing this, we'll fold it up like so. Flatten here again. And yeah, this is basically the body for the cat. And we can put this to one side for a sec whilst we grab another piece of paper to now get onto the fun part and make the head. So again, on the blank side, we're going to fold it diagonally in half. And then we will fold the top down to the bottom tip. And we will also fold it in half vertically. Awesome, so you should have those creases, and the next thing you're going to do is fold it up, so this crease here should touch the top edge. Like so. And then we want to fold this slightly back at the bottom, the tip here. That's how I want to fold it. A bit more, and then next thing you're going to do is value fold the back flaps to the front. So what that means is to fold the back and the front like so. This. Do the same for the other side. Cool, and then if we flip it to the other side. This is how our model should look, and we want to fold the top down. So, and actually before we're going to adjust these a bit so they're a bit further apart and not directly touching one another. That looks good. Cool, and then we want to fold this then back up like so. And then fold this back down to the back basically. And we want to grab the bottom here and fold this up as well. And fold it all the way, yeah, all the way to there. Like that, and taking the body, we're just going to basically slide it. So there's this little gap here, like there. We're just going to slide it into there. And actually we need to also bring these sides in before I forget. So these two sides here, just gonna bring them in so they're not really pointy. Like that. And yeah, all we need to do is draw a face on it and then we're done. Cool. So yeah, this is how the final thing looks. And yeah, I can't really fit the whole thing. Like maybe if it's like slanted like this diagonally, then I can fit the whole thing. Yeah. So yeah, here's the final product. And like usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this origami. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other sorts of arts and craft video I post on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone. I hope to see you next time. Bye.